Hello, I'm going to show you one of my favorite alkaline salads. This is going to be my dinner. I'm going to make a simple dressing. You know, as Dr. Young says, the avocado is very alkaline, very good. We should be eating avocados every day. They make you skinny, not fat. So I'm going to use a whole avocado. Just going to scoop it out of each side, and I'm going to use a lemon. This is a really easy salad. I'm just going to kind of smash this. One lemon. I'm going to use half a lemon. That way, if I don't like, if it's too lemony, I didn't put too much. I'm just going to mix that up. And that's it for my salad. Now I'm going to show you what I do. Okay, I am going to take my lettuce mixture. I keep a package of this in my refrigerator already. I have red cabbage, some radish, and green leaf and romaine. And I'm just going to put it in my bowl. This is going to be for me, so this is going to be my dinner. And I have some cucumber. And I also have some sunflower sprouts. They are so good. If you've never had sunflower sprouts, they are yummy. Okay. Then, that's noisy. Then all you do is take this avocado mixture and mix it on your salad. Just kind of mush it around. Just kind of play with it and get it all mixed. You can add a little, some of your favorite seasonings, some garlic or some onion powder or some of the other spices that you like. Okay, I'm going to salt it. I'm going to use Himalayan pink salt. And this is it. This is my dinner. And I've taken this to potluck and had a bowl 3 times as big as this bowl, and the salad absolutely disappears. So there is my alkaline salad. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. Bye-bye.